Hey guys, what's up? My name's Molly.
Okay, hold on.
I have a secret.
I have partnered with Pimsleur to share my language learning journey with you. Just so you know. Okay. That's all.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Molly and I'm learning language. I'm learning Spanish with Pimsleur. If you would like to learn Spanish alongside with me using Pimsleur, follow along. I'm going to show you how to get started. All right, let's open up the App Store or wherever you get your apps. Type in Pimsleur. It should pop right up. There it is. Once that has downloaded, open up your app. We are, going to allow notifications because we can use all the reminders we can get. And once you get to the sign-in screen, create an account. Once you do that, you'll see a full library of languages that Pimsleur offers. We are looking for Spanish. Yeah, there it is. And then it will bring you to lesson 1. Learning a language can be hard. I've tried before and have failed. I think mostly because I lacked motivation and the consistency. I didn't practice enough. So I'm going to show you 2 things I'm going to do to help with my language learning journey. The first thing I'm going to do is create a calendar event so that I can hold myself accountable. If I don't do this, I probably will forget to take the lesson. So I'm going to have this repeat Monday through Friday between 8:30 and 9, which is right before I get to work. Save that. The second thing I'm going to do is find a buddy. That's Oliver, that's me, and he knows Spanish way better than I do. So I'm gonna have him help me out. Okay, I'm gonna go over some of my favorite parts about the app. My first and probably my most favorite part is the repetition. It's good because it really gets the word embedded in your brain. Repetition really helps for me because one of my biggest barriers for learning a new language is that I'm really scared of pronunciation. Look, I can't even speak English. And so that repetition is very, very helpful. Pe. Culpe. Dis. Disculpe. My next favorite thing
This is lesson 1 of Pimsleur's Spanish 1.
Sorry about that. Okay, my second favorite thing about the app is that you can practice the contents of the lesson with in a bunch of different ways. So I'm not sure if you can see this. Okay.
Sir.
You know what? I'll show you in a screenshot version. Okay, that's much better. This is an example of the speed round, and I love this stuff. You can do this when you're on the train or right before bed. It's super fun. Last but not least, a great feature is mobility. Obviously, because it's an app, you can take it pretty much anywhere. If you're going on a run, if you're driving to work, which is when I usually do my lesson. And that's super important because the best way to learn a new language is to practice daily. That on-the-go mobility feature is creme de la creme. That's not Spanish. Okay guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. If you're ready to take on If you're ready to take this challenge with me and learn Spanish with Pimsleur, make sure you download the app, create your calendar event, and find a buddy. All right, I'll see you guys next time for lesson 2. Adios!